a small-town pharmacist noticed something that made her sick to her stomach. Cancer patients were being charged 400% markup on life-saving chemotherapy drugs. She could have looked the other way, kept her steady paycheck and comfortable life. Instead, she spent 6 months secretly documenting every fraudulent transaction. Her hands shook as she called state regulators. She knew she was about to lose everything. The pharmacy fired her immediately, threatened lawsuits. Her colleagues turned their backs. But the investigation she triggered recovered $2.3 million for cancer families. A medical nonprofit saw her courage and hired her at double her previous salary. 3 years later, she opened her own pharmacy focused on affordable medications. Her case became the model for new pharmaceutical transparency laws across the state. Patients who couldn't afford treatment before now get the care they need. She says losing that job was the best thing that ever happened to her. One act of courage didn't just save lives, it revealed her true calling in ethical healthcare.